Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to use the Discover Cash Advance feature in 2025. If you've ever needed quick cash and have a Discover credit card, this is a handy tool, but it's important to use it wisely. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a Discover Cash Advance? It's basically a way to borrow money directly from your credit line, turning your card into a source of instant cash. However, remember that cash advances often come with higher interest rates and fees compared to regular purchases, so think of this as a last resort option. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Log into your Discover account online or via the app. Make sure you have available credit and that your account is in good standing, no missed payments or issues. In 2025, Discover has streamlined this process, so it should only take a minute. Next, decide how to get your cash. The easiest way is through an ATM. Insert your Discover card, enter your PIN, and select the Cash Advance option. You'll need to specify the amount, but don't go over your limit. Alternatively, you can visit a bank that accepts Discover cards or even request it directly through the Discover mobile app by navigating to the Cash Advance section and following the prompts. Now, be aware of the costs. In 2025, expect a transaction fee, typically around 3 to 5% of the amount, and interest that starts accruing immediately, often at a higher APR than your regular purchases. That's why it's crucial to pay it back quickly to avoid racking up extra charges. A few pro tips. Always review your account after the transaction to confirm the details. Use cash advances sparingly, as they can impact your credit score if not managed well. And if you're in a financial bind, consider alternatives like personal loans or budgeting apps first. There you have it, a straightforward guide to using Discover Cash Advance in 2025. Remember, responsible use is key to maintaining your financial health. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.